Do you hear me? This
So,
is not
okay,
an underwear.
let's cut the whole story short.
Yes.
We've got a right of admission. I don't condone this in my mall, so you can look cool, maybe.
I'm saying here it's in Africa.
Yeah, this is Africa. Then you can't tell someone what to do or what to wear at which mall.
It's a public place.
It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter.
You are dressing decently.
Oh, this is not decently. This is not decently. That's what you're saying.
People to track.
This is not. This is not.
Because I'm wearing African attire.
This is what you are trying to say. This is not decent.
It's not decent.
Oh, the way you wear it now is decent. That's what you call decent.
You are wearing Western. I'm wearing African.
This is African.
Africa.
This is African.
Call Gigi.
Yeah, call Gigi to come
Call
here.
Gigi.
Call them.
Call Gigi.
You're telling me I'm not supposed to wear African in Africa.
I'm saying.
What I say?
Oh.
This is a public place. You can practice what you
It doesn't matter. We have a right to wear what we want to wear. You don't have to explain to us what.
I'm not allowing that. This is my mall.
This is your mall. Okay, nice
Right
then.
of admission, it's reserved.
For who?
For who? For who? For who?
Is there when you enter?
Yeah, but you're not saying if you're wearing your traditional stuff.
Yes, yes.
No, the man just goes off and then he can do whatever he do. He's walking around Momo. So
This is traditional. This is traditional. Beno mhlobo bani?
Phazamisa ukuthi sikhuluma isikhuwa.
Mhlobo bani? Umntwana West.
Drop it.
What a disappointment.
I'm not gonna argue with you, sis. You can
Yeah,
take
but
your
come
camera
on,
or whatever, but all that I'm saying
Okay,
is,
nice.
guys, don't
Hello.
sell them whatever they wanna buy. They must just leave us.
Huh? But being